You can call me Whitney, I go to Hill Main. Listen, the baddest in school, the baddest in the game. Excuse me, honey, nobody's in my lane. When you was in New York, you was fucking a Yankee. I was fucking with bass, I was pitching a Frankie. These bitches so crazy. It's me. Yeah. Just kidding. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. Thank you for watching. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got this look using a wig from the company ILIKEHAIR. They sent me this 13x4. Let me get the actual name of the wig, 1 second. They sent me their 13x4 Hyper Realism Kinky Edges HD Lace Frontal Ventilated Wig in 22 inches. Also, the hair is kinky straight as well as the kinky edges. So yeah, if you guys decide to purchase this wig, which I highly recommend you do because it's so amazing, you're going to get it in this nice quilted bag. It's not silk like all the other bags. This is like a thick quilted bag. I really like the texture. But this is what the bag looks like. And inside you will get the wig, of course. They also have this pouch with stuff inside. There's a elastic band that has the Velcro. We have a edge brush, some clips, and also an eye light clip for your hair, which is so cute. Also, you get wig caps, and you get, you also get a rat tail comb, and this is the elastic band you can attach to the pieces that are inside the wig already. So yeah, if you guys would like to see me install this wig, please keep on watching.
Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh, no. I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna let you. That's what he's someone do. Fuck, I look like I
right, y'all, so I'm all finished installing and styling this hair, and yo, it is amazing. Overall, installing this hair was very easy. The lace was thin. It wasn't hard to melt or blend with my skin at all. The edges look like mine, y'all. Like, it looked like I had a long day, but they not bad. And I left the edges alone simply to show how they would look. I just put mousse on it a bit, as you saw, and just brushed it back. So yeah, I straightened his hair, but you could still see the texture, which I like. If you guys would like to purchase this hair, I have a coupon code for you guys. I'm gonna insert it here, and I'm also going to leave it in the description box, so check that out. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends so we can be cute together. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.